Good afternoon, it's Moose back again. Another yet volatile day of trading. Again, all green again today. I've been really liking how we've been looking at the markets and going along and trading better and better every single day. I really want to touch on here just maybe a couple of trade replays. I don't really take much in the morning, but we did have a great setup in the AM around the market open. I'll kind of play it through just a little bit, but let's see. Here's go to next candle here. We did see we were forming a fair value gap right here around the open. If we go back to our charts here, that we ended up getting some sort of a pop up here and then pulled back. So I ended up getting interested, upon market open, but I don't like trading it. Sorry, the data won't load because I reset my computer, but we got a break above here, delta divergence break up here, and then a strong move upwards. Probably my best one of the day was actually probably closer to 1 in the afternoon. Let's go through real quick. Again, as the market continues to move, it creates these gaps, and this is where we trade in and out of. Or I like to trade in and out of, at least. Yeah, it's a small move. So it was actually right up here around 1 o'clock. Yeah, it's right here. So we ended up having a small delta divergence form, or not really, but had our zone right here. That was made due to this, fair value gap. We ended up marking it on our, time frame here specifically. Where was it? Oh, right here, because we broke up here and had that fair value gap. Mark the zone. Again, rinse and repeat. Delta divergence, close outside of the next candle long, and we just took our 2.5 points as well as a runner. So overall green day, really easy shit. Just gotta keep being better and better every single day. This could potentially set up here for a long, especially with that delta divergence, but I don't trade on today. So nice and quick, easy.